ओके
शुरू करें सर।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज पाकिस्तान पीपल्स पार्टी के पूरी लीडरशिप ने प्राइम मिनिस्टर का APC में पार्टिसिपेट किया था। I would like to congratulate Syed Khurshid Shah Saab, our leader of the opposition, who had called for this APC, for he saw that given the current situation in Pakistan, following the tensions at our border, it was time for the government to take the initiative and forge unity. After lengthy discussions and debate, a mutual statement of support was agreed upon. It is a proud moment for the people of Pakistan कि हर political party एक जगह पर खड़ा है on this one issue. As far as the future of Kashmir is concerned, as far as the freedom of the people of Kashmir is concerned, the people of Pakistan cannot compromise. It has always been the stance of the Pakistan People's Party that there is no military solution to Kashmir. It was a moment of great pride for me to see that the same political parties जो शहीद मोहतरमा बनर्जी भुट्टो को सिक्योरिटी थ्रेट कहते थे, आज सब political parties कह रहे हैं कि peace is the only option. Because we as Pakistanis, we know that freedom for Kashmir can only come through peace. Kashmiris know that freedom for Kashmir can only come through peaceful resistance. It is the Indians who understand that war and terrorism will murky the waters, will distract the world, and they will continue to be able to perpetuate the atrocities that they are carrying out in Kashmir. मैंने वज़ीर आज़म साहब को कहा था कि ये एक यूनिक मोमेंट है पाकिस्तान के लिए, ये एक पोटेंशियल टर्निंग पॉइंट है, इसलिए nobody can disagree that the protests in Kashmir that we have been witnessing, I have been discussing since before the Kashmir elections, the atrocities being carried out there. No one can deny that this is a domestic, spontaneous, indigenous movement. So India has lost the moral high ground. The Hindu nationalist government of India and their hardline stance has weakened India's moral position, and a strong and aggressive foreign policy, an assertive diplomacy, an aggressive populist campaign to forge unity at home can win the people of Kashmir their freedom and present Pakistan's case to the world. I believe कि आज हमने वो पहला कदम उठाया है. We have all agreed in the document that as far as Kashmir is concerned, we have found mutual ground. We have also, the People Party, insisted to make a mention of national security, to make a mention of transparency, and to make a mention of national unity. Without national unity, अगर पाकिस्तान यूनाइटेड नहीं है, अगर हम सब मिलकर इंडिया को जवाब नहीं देंगे, फिर हमारा मौक़िफ़ वीक होगा. I have full faith, and the Prime Minister has promised me that certain issues that may not have been in the resolution today will be taken up in due course. The Parliamentary National Security Committee to oversee this country's counter-terrorism efforts was a committee formed in our last government. It had members from both houses of parliament and both from the Treasury and the opposition benches. It is something for the last 3 years the Pakistan People's Party has been pushing for this government to reintroduce, because it is important to show the world that we are conducting a transparent anti-counterterrorism effort. We see no difference between good Taliban and bad Taliban. We must prove to the world that our priority is tackling non-state actors. And in that, Pakistan People's Party has been consistent. I believe that if there's parliamentary oversight, there will be very little room for India to manipulate the factual positions on the ground here in Pakistan. उसके अलावा हमने CPEC पर भी बात किया था. CPEC is a reality today, or soon to be a reality, because of the vision of President Zardari. President Zardari changed the ownership of Gwadar port from Singapore to China, giving China access to the warm waters. Warna unka access nahi tha warm waters ka. They have a very small Chinese sea. The pura United States South Asian pivot was happening for that reason. By taking this brave, bold decision, the state of Pakistan has allowed China access to warm waters and will, inshallah, benefit from the economic opportunities that will create, as long as we ensure that the opportunities are not available just for the few, but are accessible to the many. Once again, I'd just like to re-emphasize कि हमने कश्मीर पे, इस issue पे और सिर्फ इस issue पे हुकूमत के साथ दिया है. We have extremely pressing concerns which were raised one way or another in our meeting as well, and will be raised in Parliament. The Pakistan People's Party would like to see Parliament as the platform that is used to resolve these issues. There is no hurdle in the way of national unity. If there is a hurdle in the way of national unity, it's the Prime Minister himself. Panama Leaks is a distraction. It has been more than half a year now, and we still haven't seen a resolution. National unity aaj hamare paas hota if the Prime Minister was to have stuck to his word on the floor of the House. The issues like CPEC would not be controversial if he'd followed the Pakistan People's Party lead and kept to the opposition organized APC on CPEC that the Pakistan People's Party has called. And finally, of course, on terrorism, the discrepancies, the controversies, all of which will be addressed if there's parliamentary oversight. Thank you very much.
आपको जवाब दिया प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब ने आसिफ अली भट्टी हूँ जियो न्यूज़ से. क्या आप समझते हैं कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर जो है आपकी बात से सहमत थे जब आपने तज़किरा किया पनामा लीक्स की रेजोल्यूशन के हवाले से, और ख़ास तौर पे जब आपने कौमी इत्तेहाद की बात की कि ये तभी मुमकिन हो सकता है कौमी इत्तेहाद जब पनामा लीक्स जो कि इंटरनेशनल इशू है इसका सलूशन होना ज़रूरी है, करप्शन का खात्मा होना ज़रूरी है.
और इसी में ऐड one question at one time. देखो ये Panama issue वाकई is the, I mentioned before also that Panama is the greatest corruption scandal in the world. I did not insist that Panama be included in this resolution because this is a resolution on Kashmir and we did not want to expose any internal differences externally. However, the prerogative is on the Prime Minister to forge that national unity. The joint declaration signed by all political parties, including the Prime Minister, states that it is the onus is on the Prime Minister to forge national unity. I have full confidence that the joint unanimous opposition parliamentary bill in Panama that is waiting before the House will now pass without a glitch. Because if the Prime Minister is committed to unity, there is no reason why he won't let this pass.
ये समझती है कि चूँकि फॉरेन मिनिस्टर की वजह से हमारी जो फॉरेन पॉलिसी है वो इतनी एग्रेसिव नहीं रही और कश्मीर का इशू भी बैक बर्नर पे चला गया, तो क्या समझती है FM की अपॉइंटमेंट होनी चाहिए? और दूसरा
एक सवाल करें, सवाल एक नो प्लीज नो सर, थैंक यू सवाल एक
देखो
FM must be appointed.
देखो, it's very important to have an aggressive and assertive foreign policy. आपने देखा था that शहीद जुल्फ़िकार अली भुट्टो के वक्त में पाकिस्तान और आइसोलेटेड था, मगर उसने he used the tools available to him. He used an aggressive foreign policy. He went all over the world to bring support for Pakistan. He used aggressive diplomacy to return land that was occupied by Indian forces and return our troops that were imprisoned in India. So diplomacy works, foreign policy works as long as you have the capacity. It is beyond my understanding why the third-time Prime Minister refuses to appoint a foreign minister. Even today in our briefing, it was highly unfortunate that it's only a foreign secretary that was briefing us on these affairs. I'm sure that he's a very capable and competent gentleman. However, how can you make the best case for Pakistan unless you don't have an eloquent, articulate, empowered foreign minister?
Did you make this demand?
Sorry.
बिलावल साहब अब ये फरमा दीजिएगा, क्योंकि आपने बात की एक बिल जो है वो सेनेट में मौजूद है, हुकूमत को उसको पहले एक शिकस्त भी हो चुकी है। अगर हुकूमत ने इसकी मुखालफत कर दी है, अगर ये बिल पास नहीं होता तो फिर पीपल्स पार्टी की क्या हिकमत अमली होगी?
देखो, मैं नहीं समझता हूँ कि हुकूमत अभी कोई रुकावट डालेगा। We are now at a stage where we need national unity. There's really no excuse. Prime Minister ने खुद कहा है कि एहतसाब होना चाहिए. It should start from the Prime Minister. He said it at the floor of the House. He said it at his address. The TORs that we have put together are signed by every single member of the opposition. They have either agreed to the TORs while we were drafting the TORs, or they've signed the bill in Parliament. So there's only the Prime Minister and the Prime Minister alone that is standing in the way. And since he's already agreed in Parliament that he will allow for accountability, I'm sure that before the end of Muharram, he will ensure that this bill passes in the form that it is.
मुहर्रम के बाद वो इस्लामाबाद का गिराव करेंगे। क्या पाकिस्तान पीपल्स पार्टी इस सूरत हाल में तहरीक इंसाफ की इस्लामाबाद के गिराव की मूव की हमायत करेगी?
और साथ ये भी बताइएगा, आपकी पार्टी क्लेम करती है कि आपका कंटेनर इमरान खान के कंटेनर के आगे होगा। क्या मुस्तकबिल में बिलावल भुट्टो जरदारी का कंटेनर बाहर आ सकता है? किस सूरत में आ सकता है?
देखो, खान साहब ने बहुत अच्छे पॉइंट्स उठाए हैं और जैसे उसने यूथ को अकाउंटेबिलिटी इशू के ऊपर मोबिलाइज किया है, वी हैव टू अप्रिशिएट दैट। मगर पाकिस्तान पीपल्स पार्टी का अपना सियासी आइडियोलॉजी भी है और हमारा कमिटमेंट्स है, और we are restrained within a democratic framework, and I am restrained by the commitments I have to Shaheed Mohtarma Benazir Bhutto and Shaheed Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. मैं कभी भी नहीं जमहूरियत के खिलाफ या ऐसी किसी चीज़ में शामिल हो सकता हूँ। तो ये कंसर्न्स है। जब इमरान खान ये सोलो फ्लाइट्स करते हैं ना, फिर मुश्किल होता है बाकी पार्टीज़ के लिए। इसलिए आपने अपना प्लान बना दिया है, लेकिन वे फॉरवर्ड आपने नहीं दिखाया है। लीडरशिप का ये, दिस इज़ द रोल ऑफ लीडरशिप। क्या ना सिर्फ प्रोटेस्ट करे, बिकॉज प्रोटेस्ट रेजेस अवेयरनेस, सो रेज अवेयरनेस, डू योर प्रोसेस, मगर रास्ता भी दिखाए। पाकिस्तान पीपल्स पार्टी बिल्कुल प्रोटेस्ट करेगा, लेकिन पाकिस्तान पीपल्स पार्टी स्ट्रेटेजिकली सियासत करता है और बड़ा सक्सेसफुली स्ट्रेटेजिक सियासत करता है। हमने प्रोटेस्ट का जो वैल्यू है उसको कम भी नहीं करना है। So it's a complicated issue, but I hope to work with everyone to make sure that Nawaz Sharif is finally held accountable for these crimes that have been exposed in Panama Leaks.
बिलावल साहब, मुझे आपकी इलेक्शन कैंपेन याद आ रही है, कश्मीर में भी और पाकिस्तान में भी, जिसमें आपने नवाज शरीफ को मोदी का यार डिक्लेयर किया था। तो क्या आज आप इस फोरम पे बैठ के आपको ये कॉन्फिडेंस है कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर जो है इस सारे मामले को सीरियसली लेके आगे चलेंगे, और जिसको आप मोदी का दोस्त करार दे रहे हैं, वो पाकिस्तान की सलामती और कश्मीर के मसले का हल निकालेंगे?
देखो, अगर एक वज़ीर आज़म ऑफ द कंट्री, 3 times elected प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ पाकिस्तान आ जाता है, तो बड़े उम्मीदें होते हैं सियासी फोर्सेस के लिए, और पाकिस्तान के लिए एक अपॉर्चुनिटी बनता है। उसके ऊपर अगर हमारा पड़ोसी मुल्क से एक हिंदू नेशनलिस्ट इलेक्ट हुआ है, फिर पाकिस्तान strategically has another opportunity. I have no personal differences with Mr. Nawaz Sharif. He's allowed to have whoever he wants as his friend, his best friend. He can invite them to his daughter's weddings, graduations, whatever he wants. That's his personal issue. No one should have an issue with that. But as a member of head of state, should meet with the head of state at appropriate platforms, because peace, individuals don't make peace. States can make peace. तो मेरा वो एतराज़ था। और अगर आप मेरा कश्मीर कैंपेन को सुनते हो ना, then everything that I was saying then is happening today. Back then when I would say कि देखो Modi was the butcher of Gujarat, खुदा ना खास्ता ये butcher of Kashmir ना बन जाए, फिर नून लीग और बाकी मुश्किल चीख उठे। अभी सब सामने आ रहा है और इंशाल्लाह ताला अभी हम सब मिलकर पाकिस्तान का मौके
आया जो आज APC हुई है, बाज़ माहिरीन कहते हैं UN जनरल असेंबली के खिताब से पहले होती तो आज सिचुएशन ये ना होती, आप क्या समझते हैं?
देर आया दुरुस्त आया।
चेयरमैन पाकिस्तान पीपल्स पार्टी बिलावल भुट्टो पार्लिमानी पार्टीज के इजलास के बाद मीडिया से गुफ्तगू कर रहे थे।